What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we deep dive into technology that makes your home smarter, your life easier, and for this specific video, your movie nights unforgettable. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out and tackling a single question. Can this JMGO N1S Pro triple laser 4K projector go head to head with the big names like Epson, LG, and even BenQ? Now that's something we'll attempt to find out in this video. But what I do know right off the bat is that this is the world's first triple laser 4K projector with Google TV. Anyways, stick around because I'm breaking down everything you need to know about this game-changing projector, from its jaw-dropping specs to its real-world performance, and all in time for JMGO's promotional Black Friday sale. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so like I mentioned previously, in today's video we're going to be checking out this N1S Pro from JMGO. Now this is a portable 4K triple laser projector that boasts 2400 lumens, HDR10, and Dolby Digital Plus sound, and currently it is priced at around $2,000. But the great news is with Black Friday discounts of up to $800 to $900 off, you can get this amazing projector for around $1,200. Now it does promise premium performance at a mid-range price, but how does it compare to other projectors in its category? Well, let's dive in and find out. Okay, so first things first, and how I typically like to start all of my product reviews, unboxing this N1S Pro was a great experience. First off, you get this carrying case that does an amazing job protecting the projector itself. Now in that carrying case, of course, you get the N1S Pro projector itself, as well as a sleek remote with Netflix and YouTube buttons built in. In addition to that, you also do get a user manual, as well as a very durable and well-built power supply and power outlet. Now right away, the build quality of the projector itself screams premium. In fact, even the carrying case is a premium device with a locking mechanism built in. The projector itself is very durable and hefty, with an elegant matte gray finish and a versatile gimbal stand that lets you swivel it 360 degrees horizontally and about 135 degrees vertically. Now one thing to note, because of the design and build of the projector, is that no mounting is required. All you have to do is set it up and you're good to go. Now that's not to say that you can't mount this projector, because there are several different options because of the way it's built and how you can place or mount the projector itself. Now when it comes to features and performance, let's talk about the specs and numbers. The N1S Pro packs 2400 lumens, which is brighter than most competitors in this range. It's also got a 1600:1 contrast ratio, which delivers vivid details in both bright and dark scenes. In addition to that, you've got triple RGB laser technology, offering one of the widest color spectrums in the industry. And then lastly, it's got a maximum screen size of 180 inches, which is perfect for home theaters or even outdoor movie nights. Now compare that to, let's say, the LG Cinebeam Q, which offers 1500 lumens, or the BenQ X300G at 2200 lumens. The N1S Pro is brighter and more vibrant than both of those models. Now when it comes to usability, the gimbal stand of the projector is one of the standout features. Whether you're projecting on a wall or a ceiling or even at an angle, the real-time autofocus and keystone correction kicks in instantly. In less than 10 seconds, you've got a perfectly aligned crystal clear image that makes setting this thing up completely effortless. It even has smart object avoidance to adjust around obstacles like furniture and other objects that might get in its way. And what's even better, with its integrated gimbal design, which allows you to rotate the projector 135 degrees vertically and 360 degrees horizontally, you can place or mount this pretty much anywhere. Setup is genuinely effortless and easy to complete. Now, I've had this projector for about 2 weeks now, and watching movies on the N1S Pro is a complete treat. HDR content like Dune, as you can see in this example, looks stunning and amazing. Colors pop, details are razor sharp, and the brightness makes it enjoyable even in a moderately lit room. Now pair this with an ALR screen and your setup is golden and probably one of the best setups that you can ever have. I also love the fact that this projector adjusts for 16:9 aspect ratios, which is the standard home theater aspect ratio, or older 4:3 aspect ratios, and even the different aspect ratios in movie theaters for a true cinema widescreen experience. Now, when it comes to gaming, with 4K at 60 Hz and 35 milliseconds input lag, it's responsive enough for casual and competitive gamers alike. In fact, titles like Forza Horizon look breathtaking on a 100-inch screen, which is something that I've enjoyed. Now when it comes to sound quality, and this is actually a feature that I was surprised about, most projectors need a sound bar, but the dual 20-watt speakers that are built into the N1S Pro deliver surprisingly rich audio. In fact, the built-in speakers for this projector were an unexpected and welcome feature. The bass hits hard, the dialogue is clear, and the Dolby Digital Plus sound creates a mini surround sound experience that is honestly amazing for a projector of this size. Now that being said, audiophiles might still want to connect a soundbar or an external speaker system via the HDMI eARC port, which I think was also a nice addition that I did not expect. Now when it comes to smart features, the built-in Google TV platform is smooth and intuitive. You've got access to all your favorite apps, including Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, and a bunch of other streaming apps. Unlike some competitors that lack native Netflix and streaming support, the N1S Pro makes streaming hassle-free and supports a wide range of different applications. And then for those of you who like tweaking settings, the projector also supports app controls and customizable settings for brightness, color, and even eye protection. And that's actually a feature that I found out by accident when I walked in front of this projector. This projector has object sensing so that it will dim the lights and the lasers in order to protect your eyes if you're looking directly into the laser itself. So that was a welcome feature and something I think that's pretty cool about this projector. Now comparing this to what I know about some of its competitors, here's how this projector stacks up. From a brightness perspective, the N1S Pro wins with 2400 lumens, which means that it can shine brighter and display objects better than most other projectors. And then from a color accuracy perspective, the triple laser system outshines LG and BenQ's LED technology completely. And then one of its standout features is its portability. At under 10 pounds with a built-in gimbal, it's more versatile than the competition and pretty much a lot of different projectors that are available out there. And then from a pricing perspective, at a regular price of $2,000 and what's even better, at a Black Friday price of $1,200, it undercuts premium models like the Samsung Premier, which cost nearly twice as much. And then overall, before the projector even arrived, I did a review on what people actually thought about the projector itself. And most people who bought this projector are completely satisfied and happy about it. Like me, everyone thought the picture quality was bright and crisp, and they thought the built-in speakers were surprisingly good for a product of this size. Other feedback echoed how easy this was to set up and also how versatile the gimbal stand was. And overall, even at its original price of $2,000, this thing was well worth the price that people have paid, and they were satisfied with the purchase. Now, as you can see with some of the samples I'm showing in this video, the picture quality is amazing. The colors are bright and the picture quality is crisp and clear. And what's even better is not only is the picture quality good in dark surroundings, but even in well-lit areas. Okay, so with that in mind, let's break down the pros and the cons, starting with the pros. The projector has incredible brightness and color. It's also got seamless auto adjustment features, which is helpful when you're setting this thing up and makes it completely easy. In addition to that, you've got native Netflix and Google TV that supports a ton of different apps. And then the surprising feature, it's got excellent sound quality for a portable projector. And then lastly, it's got amazing build quality and feels very sturdy and durable. Now, when it comes to cons, these are probably advancements that I think they can make in their next round of products. But the first one, in very fast-paced scenes, I did notice slight motion blurs, but it was hardly noticeable. And it's probably a performance feature and something that's addressed in the more premium versions of this projector. And then of course, it still does have a $2,000 premium price tag at regular price. Although the Black Friday deal does soften that blow a little bit, pricing this thing at $1,200. But you gotta remember that most other projectors out there are more expensive, and this is a more affordable solution that comes with more premium features and better performance. Okay, so my final thoughts about this projector. At its Black Friday cost of around $1,299, this JMGO N1S Pro projector delivers high-end performance at a mid-range and amazing price that is around $700 off of the original purchase price of around $2,000, which I think is still a great deal. This goes the same for the Ultra and the Ultimate version of this projector, which you can also get at amazing prices during this Black Friday sale. The N1S Pro is brighter, smarter, and more versatile than most projectors in its class that are available on the market today. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just looking to elevate your home entertainment setup, this projector deserves a spot on your list of considerations. Anyways, I want to thank JMGO for sponsoring this video and sending me this projector to review. I honestly think this N1S Pro could be your next home theater upgrade, and I'd highly recommend it for anyone who's looking for an amazing projector at an amazing price. If you're interested in getting one of these for yourself, check out the link in the description section below for the best Black Friday deal using my link and discount code. Now, if you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech deep dives, recommendations, and deals. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.